Hey everybody, I'm Diana Diaz, and today I'm bringing you 10 tips to make your nails grow a lot faster. The first thing that I want to clarify, and that I get asked a lot on social media, is if my nails are natural, and my answer is yes, they are totally natural. This is the length that I prefer for my nails, and I'm going to tell you the tips that I use to make them grow like this. You can keep them, of course, much longer if you want with these tips that I'm about to give you. So tip number 1, change your nail polish at least each 10 days because it becomes cracked, and what will happen is that if you get your nails hit with something, the nail will easily break because it has no protection. Don't use nail polish remover with acetone because it really damages the nails. It leaves them dry and damages the cuticles, so no. Check very well that your polish remover doesn't have acetone whenever you're going to buy one. The second tip today is that each time you change your nail polish, don't forget that you have to push your cuticle. You can use a tool such as this, or you can also use an orange wood stick that are less harmful for your nails. If you don't know how to work properly with these tools, I recommend that you use the wood stick or a plastic cuticle pusher. Remember to push the cuticle in a soft manner without harming the nail, and this will help remove all the dead skin so the nail can easily grow. The tip number 3 is to maintain your nails with makeup, and when I say this, I'm not actually referring to design or color. I'm simply referring to one layer of nail polish shine, so whenever you take away the nail polish, immediately and without even getting up from the table, apply a layer of nail polish shine. That way we will make sure to have a protection on our nails and we'll just avoid any trouble. Tip number 4 is to apply a protective base before putting makeup on your nails. With this tip, you will avoid stains or that it would break very easy, since the nails will be thicker. Apply it also on the sides and on the edges, and don't forget this, it's really important to make your nails thicker. Tip number 5 is that after applying your layer of color, apply the top coat or nail polish shine. It's really important because between the base, the color, and the top coat, you will have 3 protective layers, and that will prevent them from breaking easily in case you hit them with something. A very important tip or an advice that I can give you is that after 2 days of applying the color or your nail polish design, you can apply every day an additional layer of nail polish shine, and that way your manicure will last really long. It can last up to 3 weeks if you follow this tip. The tip number 6 is to apply at least twice a day some cuticle cream or cuticle oil, the one that you have or that you prefer, and that way we will prevent the cuticles from becoming too dry and will hydrate them. Massage them every day. I apply cuticle cream in the morning and some cuticle oil at night. In case you don't have a cuticle cream or cuticle oil, don't let this be an excuse to forget taking care of your nails. I will rapidly explain how to make one at home. You will need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 capsules of vitamin E, and a tablespoon of almond oil. Mix up the ingredients and store the mixture in a dry container. Now you can use it every morning and every night. Massage your nails and that's it. You have your cuticles very hydrated now. Tip number 7 is to apply every day and every time you want some hand cream. You should do this every time you wash your hands. This is really important to keep your hands hydrated. Tip number 8 is that we'll exfoliate our hands at least once a week. If you don't have an exfoliant, or in case you can't buy one, you can make a delicious one with a recipe that you can find on this video tutorial, or if you have an exfoliation recipe preference, make sure to use it at least once a week in order to eliminate all the dry skin of our nails. They will end up really soft. Tip number 9 is to remember to keep on your handbag a nail care emergency kit, or at least a nail file, so you can take action in case an emergency happens, something happens. It's really important when you file your nails that you do it from left to right and not both ways. And tip number 10 is to always remember to use gloves. I know a lot of you have told me that you don't like this, or that it's really not easy to work with them. But you have to believe me, there is a great difference in the care of the hands and the care of the nails when you use gloves. Every time you're going to be in touch with water, detergent or dust, please use the gloves. That way we will protect and take care of our hands. If your nails are weak because of the water, they will easily break, so to prevent this from happening, just remember to use the gloves. And that's it. I hope you liked this. These were my 10 tips to take care of your nails and your hands. I really hope they work for you, so if you take my advice and follow these tips, I assure you that you will have long, beautiful and strong nails. So on the other hand, I will make a video answering all of the questions that you ask me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and on the webpage. So if you have any doubts or if you want me to tell you about something in that video, make sure to write it here below in the commentary section or send it to my webpage or on Facebook, and I will gladly include them on this video. I also want to take this opportunity to thank you all for the beautiful commentaries that you have sent me. I really enjoy that you like my videos, and I really make them especially for you. I'm sending you a lot of kisses and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.